Hello, in front of me I've got POCO C50. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here you'll find every settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can enable or disable dark mode, schedule it, and in more dark options you can enable or disable adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for certain apps. Then you can change brightness level of the display, enable or disable reading mode, schedule it and adjust it, change color scheme between vivid, saturated and standard, and also color temperature. Then you can change font style, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and in the end you can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.